Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm sitting here at the park. It's a really nice day. It's been sunny. It's supposed to be sunny all week. I'm attempting to do a little voiceover on my on this video. Something I don't normally do, but I'm just going to take a shot. Let me know what you guys think. Might be doing it more often. Who knows? We'll see. Just it's a little test. As you can see, I'm spraying Scotch Guard on my military tent, and you're probably wondering, well, why didn't you use wax? Why didn't you use this or that? And it's like I wanted to go with something simple, and I wanted to just show something simple and also get the job done. And you know, Scotch Guard felt like a good way to go. I'm like next to a road, so we hear a car. That's why. I just wanted to do something simple and also show something simple. So, you know, for anyone who just happens to come by the channel, they're looking for waterproofing. It's like, oh, that looks easy. And I want to do a complicated method where they're like, oh, I don't know if I could do that. So, you know, plus I didn't want to do, I wasn't sure about doing a more complicated method. So I figured I'd just lay them out, spray it on. I tried to spray the edges where it's going to touch the ground a little bit heavier. I might go get another can maybe next week, and when I set it up at camp, I'll spray the main body and make sure I get a good layer of Scotch Guard on the top part as well. So just to make sure that, you know, it's going to be waterproof. I may use it on my next day off. I think. I'm going to try, I think. So I'm just chilling with a cold one. I think it's already dry. I'm just giving it a little bit more time to, you know, kind of set. I have to basically flip it over into the grass, so I want to make sure it's completely dry. But it's been a nice day. The only problem I'm running into is this tree behind me. It's a wanker, and it keeps dropping little buds all over it. So I have to keep getting up and knocking them away. You wanker. Alright, well, I got it flipped over, sprayed both halves. Oh, I forgot my water. Darn it, left it in the truck. And yeah, I might actually still get a third can, and then the next time I take it out camping, I might set it up and then spray the whole can down, spray the whole thing down again, just to double make sure it's good to go. And if you're wondering why I sprayed both sides, and that's because condensation, you know, because there's no real way to vent the thing unless I only slept under half of it. So while I'm breathing out and I sleep, I don't want condensation to build up and then eventually, you know, turn the thing all skunky, because that's not what I want. So by putting waterproofing the inside, hopefully the condensation will run off, or it will dry quicker. So that's why I did both sides. I only meant to spray it lightly on the underside, but when I laid it all out, I was like, wait, which side was which? And so I just sprayed them both equally. I should be okay, knock on wood. So I guess that's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully I'll be out camping in this thing. And if I do, I'll make sure to link this video and those videos, so anyone who wants to see me waterproofing this can, can check that out. All right, peace.